Hello my YouTube friend, this is Not Mechanic here, and today I want to do a review on the infitary LED headlights. These are for my Kia Soul, my 2010 Kia Soul. The reason why I chose these LED lights is because one, how bright they are, and number two, how easy it is to install. I want to show you also one of the common mistakes that people are making when they're installing this LED lights. So stay into the video to the end of the video for you can see a before and after. The LEDs come in this box right here. He also comes with some nice white gloves. Good idea. Also a manual and two straps. So let me show you one of the common mistakes that people are doing when they're installing these LED lights, and then we're gonna get right into installing the light. Now, one of the things with these LED lights, if you see this metal piece here, this metal piece, just in case you're in a tight spot, you can take it out, you turn it, and take it out. And you put this in first, in the light fixture, with this grooves here. And then you put the light. But what's happening is that I've seen that people just install this like this, right? The right way. But all they try to do is just push it in like this, and that's it. If you notice, if you leave it like this, look what happens. It comes right out. If you see right in the LED, like you have like some grooves right here, two little things that are sticking out, and like a little groove right around it. Inside this plate, I don't know if you can see, it has two grooves, but it just not only does it have the grooves, it also has a groove like a circle inside. And the reason why it's that for is, if you install this in the groove, right, just like this, you have to press it in. Once you press it in, you gotta turn it. And once you turn it, it locks. You cannot just put it in there, in the groove, and leave it like that, because it's going to come out. And I've seen this common mistake over and over with this light. These lights are very easy to install. So the way I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna leave this in the way it is, and then push it in and turn it. Once I turn it, these two grooves are going to go in, and this one, and all I'm gonna do is turn it. Now, I'm in the driver's side, so the first thing we have to do is remove this plastic out of here. Once we remove that plastic, you can see that the light is exposed and the electric wire harness. Now, right here in the side, there's a metal piece that goes around. So all you have to do is just press it down, and once you press it down, you bring it up. Make sure that the other side also comes up. There it goes. Now once that metal piece is out, the light can come out. And all you do is just be careful, and you pull your old light out. And all you have to do now, you have the wire harness here. All you have to do is just pull it. Once you pull it, you can see these are the same grooves that the LED light has. I don't know if you can see it in there, but let me move it to the side. But inside down there are grooves. There's two on the bottom, if I'm correct. Let me see. Yep. Two in the bottom and one in the top. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the LED lights. You see these two? The two bottom ones are gonna go in the bottom, and this one's gonna go in the top. So you push the light in the key, you gotta push it sideways, and then just push it in. If the metal get in the piece, all you gotta do is just pick it up. See, I'm trying to do it without getting in the way. And there it goes. So now, once it's in there, I gotta make sure that I put the bottom piece first in the bottom. Okay. Beautiful. So you put them in the groove, and once you put it in the groove, you take this, you take the metal, and you go over here, and you lock it. You gotta lock it in the side that's in there. And that's it. It's right in. Now, you take this metal piece here, and this, the electric, and all you have to do is just push it in. Once it's pushed in, it's connected. Now you're gonna take all these wires and you're gonna put them inside. You're gonna have to maneuver it and put them inside. Yeah, go in the car, baby. But don't touch the horn and scare me. There it goes. So the lights are in. Once the light is in, you have finished. All you gotta do is just put this back, and all you gotta do is just turn it. There it goes. So let's see how the LED light, remember I have one LED light and the other regular light. So let's see the difference. And also don't forget to stay to the end for you can see before and after shot. So here's the LED lights, and these are the regular light. It is a big difference. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install the other one, and I'm gonna wait till the nighttime, and I'm gonna show you how it looks before and after. So this is how it looks with the regular lights that it has on. So this is how it looks with the infitary LED lights. Oh yeah, it does look much brighter. Oh yeah. Let me know in the comments below which one you think is brighter. Was the regular light brighter or these LED lights? Let's see how it looks with the fog lights on. That's the fog light there. That is bright. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.